A few weeks ago, we were staying at a campsite with expansive open grassland where we enjoyed having such a large space to ourselves. That was until Korra started to become obsessed with our car. With every opportunity she had to be outside, she always ended up underneath the car. Now, this obsessive staring habit wasn't anything new for Korra. In fact, it's pretty typical. You can constantly catch her staring at the same bush for 15 minutes straight to see if any critters emerge. Staring at the car, though, that was a bit unusual and a bit worrisome. When we checked our car out, we saw no alarming signs of an intruder, so we packed our things and headed for our next campsite a few hours away. That leaves us here. Let's go see what this girl's up to. What are you doing? We think there's a mouse or some sort of rodent living in here since the last sight, and we can't find it. But while we were traveling, we heard some rustling near the glove compartment. So Cho's gonna check it out now, unless we killed it, who knows. We turned on the AC on the way here and it was like clunk, 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 clunk. I've got to see what's going on in here.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Gross. Leave it. Nope, don't eat it. Don't step on it either. Oh man, look at our tires. They're covered with dirt. It's caked on. Korra, is something still in there? Hello? I feel like we should open the glove compartment too. So Korra's been obsessing over the car for maybe 2 weeks now. And last time we checked, we didn't see anything. We're like, okay, maybe it's gone. Well then, Korra kept checking the car. Joe's gonna check the glove compartment. Hopefully nothing springs out. Is there grass in there? Oh no. See, I said it was probably the glove compartment. I mean, it's not in it.
Is it moving?
No, the stick doesn't even fit. Gonna have to pop it out. Sorry, babe. Look at Joe. He's trying to use Korra.
Korra, come here. Mouse can fit into like what, a dime-sized hole?
Yeah. Hello. Can you not live in the car, please?
Get it.
Look at that tail.
Oh, she smells something. Thanks. Scared away. He freaked out or something.
Are you gonna be a mechanic, Korra? It smells so good. There's one. So I feel like it's gonna evaporate. Oh shoot, I think I used like half the bottle. Okay. Wait, do you want to take the grass out first? Probably should. Because how will we know if it's gone?
We'll do it later. Someday.
I think we should put one in the back where Korra keeps smelling. Like here. That hole.
There's holes everywhere.
Alright, went in there. Oh yeah, by the entrance. Korra! You can't get it. You don't even know if it's in here.
You wanna go up there?
Where'd you put it? Oh, down there. Okay.
Whoa, Korra.
Let's cross our fingers. We'll have to check back in a few days and see if we find any more nests. Alright, Korra. Hopefully your friend leaves. After putting natural deterrents into place and getting ready to head to another new campsite, we thought our worries were over, but we were wrong. Korra was telling us something else. It's still in here, Korra? You gonna help Archer? So we're in the Walmart parking lot. Cho's inside getting a few things before we go to the next site, and Korra is excited right now, so I wonder if the mouse is still in here. Great. So we bought this Decon mouse trap. I have mixed feelings about it, but we gotta get rid of that mouse in our car. So the way this works is basically you're gonna put bait in here. So we have some peanut butter. So you're supposed to take this off. Okay? We're gonna put some peanut butter in there.
We're gonna catch a Korra.
This trap will kill it if it is still in there, and it's sad to say, but it probably is better because we brought it from a different place, and to bring it to another place where it could potentially spread disease is probably bad, so probably should have done this sooner. Put it in here. I think it's just for the smell. And then you're supposed to put it back over. Alright, now I turn it over and you turn it the direction of the arrow to set. Till you hear clicking. I don't hear any clicking. Oh, there you go. Now the mouse hole is open.
Okay.
I think when that red mark is on mouse caught and then the hole is closed, that means you have the mouse. And you don't see it, it's in here and you just dispose of the whole thing.
Cool. Let's go do it.
Oh gosh, that's the latch. Okay, found it. I don't see a mouse nest.
It was on top of the battery.
Yeah, right there.
Dangerous.
I don't see
Any new nests?
any new signs. Korra hasn't been really going crazy over the card lately, so we think the mouse might be gone. But anyway, we're gonna put it right on top of the battery.
Actually, I think.
Or should we put it right there?
Just put it right here.
Okay, so just to let you guys know, we're not going to be driving the car while we're doing this. We've been stationary for maybe a week now. Is it in there, Korra?
It is.
Alright, we're going to keep it in there and come check tomorrow. We've decided that we want to put a second one in the car just in case, so I'm going to put it down here. Ah! Shoot! It spun around. That was like a jack-in-the-box. Okay, let's try again. Oh my gosh, it's so sensitive right now. That's why they said gently put it down. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of duct tape. If the mouse moves, then it doesn't fall somewhere. Just a little reassurance. It's kind of dirty. I don't know how well that's gonna stick.
It's duct tape.
Oh, actually, it's sticking pretty good. Oh shoot, it's moving again. Okay.
Alright, let's see how it goes. Decon, you better work.
Let's go check the mouse traps. Okay, we're gonna go check the mouse traps. Looks like that one still says set, so nothing's happened.
I got one.
What? Wait, what? It does say mouse caught.
Maybe, I don't know.
It says mouse caught, not set.
Maybe it was because the hood closed.
But it probably would have went to not set then.
So.
How would I be able to tell? Do I have to pick it up and like feel? Hello? It feels heavy actually. Oh shoot! I think we got one.
Oh no. Alright.
Well, it says mouse caught, so
It must be your mouse. What if it was like a chipmunk?
I can't tell. Sorry, mouse.
We should have waited before and after. Okay, open it up.
What?
Can you?
I'm not gonna open it up. You can open it up.
You're the animal lover.
Yeah, and it's dead.
How do you know it's dead?
It says kills instantly.
Oh, really?
So I'm not fully convinced yet that we caught a mouse, so I'm gonna compare the weight. That just seemed too easy. Oh yeah, I think it does feel heavier.
You killed the mouse.
Actually, I don't know. Here, you feel it. Yeah, it feels heavier. Slightly. Here, you feel it.
This one feels like there's nothing in there. Yeah, it does.
Okay, Decon, thanks for working. Hopefully it wasn't just a random mouse from here. Alright, should we put this one in the car in case?
Should have done this a lot sooner.
Oh gosh. I feel bad. How does it kill them? I don't think they get to eat anything in there. We're just very curious. You gotta twist it.
Where's the...
Yeah, keep going.
Can't tell. Maybe flashlight.
I don't think we want to see a dead mouse. We just want to see confirmation.
Yep, it is in there.
There is one?
Yeah. Check. It's a small one.
Oh, that's so sad. There's a mouse in there, guys.
Sorry, bro. Hey. It worked pretty nicely. Effortless.
I mean, it's a no touch, no see, but we just wanted to see. Okay.
Well, now do I feed it to the dogs?
No.
Mouse caught number 2.
We have a whole family living in the car.
One. There's 2.
Oh my gosh. Is this for real? I feel bad.
I think so. I think they were living there.
Where?
I think they were living in there.
Oh, they chewed the cotton ball a little bit. Look at that. All the grass.
So Korra doesn't seem as excited anymore. I think we got the mice out. 2 of them. Okay, we're gonna go search for the mice nest. And in the meantime, we'll just switch out the cabin filter. This is what we bought. Cheap, but it'll do the job. I just took out the glove box. I think FJ Cruiser has like the easiest air filter replacement. Look at that. Ooh.
Oh no! You probably should be wearing a mask. You look ready now.
Yeah, that was disgusting. Yeah, I think we got the wrong one. Nasty. You got some Connie fur. Oh!
They were having a ball in there.
A cotton ball.
So on to Walmart and got the right filter. And now he's spraying the red with some disinfectant. So we were reading that we did this wrong. You're supposed to spray the nest with some disinfectant spray or bleach and then clean it so nothing goes airborne, but too late now.
Accidentally threw this filter tray away at Walmart. I had to go back and dig through the trash. Embarrassing, but it is what it is. Oh, so much work for a filter. At least process the CD. Slide in the CD player. Good. Connected. Fresh air for you, asthma person.
Doesn't look good. Korra, did they move to the back?
And the war continues.